Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making these plantain cups and I'm going to fill it with this delicious, creamy, spicy crab filling. Stay tuned for more.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So I've got some de-shelled snow crab legs and all I'm gonna go in is with some red onions. Now this is total optional, but I do like the taste of onions. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Use less or more depending on your heat tolerance. Gone in with some parsley. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and I've just gone in with about a teaspoon of sriracha sauce. And all I'm going to do is just give this a good mix, cover it and leave it in the fridge until I'm ready for it. So I've got some green plantain here that's just on the verge of turning and I'm just gonna peel them now. If you don't know how to peel a plantain, all you do is cut the side and just slide your knife all the way down, kind of pushing away at the skin as you go down, and just cut the bottom. Now before I peeled these, I did go ahead and put a little bit of oil on my hand. This is because the plantains, they are quite starchy and stainy. I should use the word stainy, and I don't want them to stain my fingers. So by putting a little oil on your fingers, you won't get your fingers stained. If there's any bits left over, just use your knife and just peel them off. Now once I've done this, I'm just going to go ahead and cut them into the size that I want it. Now I've cut these into 5, I've got 5 pieces from one plantain. Now all I'm going to do now is just soak them in some salted water. Now I've grown up seeing my dad do this, and you know what? Why change the habit of a lifetime? One, it stops the plantain from going brown until you're ready for it. Just make sure you give it a good dry. Don't be putting no wet plantain into hot oil, because that's definitely a recipe for disaster. Now I'm just checking my oil is hot. I'm just using a wooden stick. Once you see those bubbles are flying up like that, then they're ready to go. Now once I put my plantain in, I let these fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now when you're pressing the plantain, it would be ideal if you can get a lemon press. I didn't have it, and you know, as I always say, I like to use what I have, you know, the prettiness. So I've just got a little bowl and a little ramekin dish, and I'm just gonna press down on it until, you know, it relatively resembles a little cup. I just want it so it can hold the filling. Now once I've done this, I'm just going to fry them back off for about another 2 minutes. As you can see, they're floating quite loosely now, so they're definitely ready to come out. Now place your plantain on a cooling rack. Once you've finished frying your plantain, we're just ready to fill them up. Take your filling out the fridge, and hey baby, we got our plantain filled cups. Now guys, this is a great little appetizer. You know, I love crab, I love plantain, so hey, why not put them together? And I wanted an option where they kind of hold the filling instead of the filling falling back off. Now if you use a plantain press, it should come out a lot deeper, but as you see, girl ain't got none of that, so none of that never did a go on in here. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment, and if you're still here with me, leave me a crab emoji. Also follow me on Instagram at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. And remember, aim high, work hard, work smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Bye.